Mass deleting Salesforce records in Excel with Excel Connector. If you're a Salesforce user, you might frequently face the necessity of bulk deleting records to ensure your organization's data remains accurate. Excel Connector provides an effortless method for accomplishing this. For the process, you simply need an Excel spreadsheet with a column filled with the record IDs you wish to delete. Interestingly, these IDs can represent various objects. The delete operation handles them indiscriminately, removing any specified. To proceed, select the Excel rows containing the Salesforce record IDs you want to eliminate. Click the Delete button, confirm your action, and you're done. This deletion method works for any object type, be it contacts, accounts, opportunities, or custom objects. Additionally, Excel Connector offers a unique feature allowing you to recover deleted records directly from your spreadsheet. By selecting the IDs of the records you wish to restore and clicking Undelete, you can easily reverse the deletion process. This capability sets Excel Connector apart from other mass deletion tools which do not offer an Undelete option. Both the delete and undelete functions can be saved as flow steps for future use by anyone utilizing Excel Connector on the same spreadsheet, including those with the Excel Connector Team Player edition. Even non-experienced Excel users can use the flow step, since this means just running a saved flow. Watch the complete series of Excel Connector tutorial videos to unlock the full potential of your data management.